Well, he attack me. But JAYDEN Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
Blessings Nation, and now welcome to the channel. Yeah man, JAYDEN Chase, another one that we're gonna bring on another reasoning on the topic of music news and current affairs. So if you're new to the channel, just a pass through button to find the reason insightful. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and let your voice be heard. Like and share the video and drop a comment in the comment section. Now, let's get right into the reasoning. Nation, fans of the incarcerated dancehall superstar set to be freed in a matter of months has been given another reason to celebrate. Now nation, despite Vybz Kartel's YouTube and Vivo pages being the matter of discussion after having his views frozen and witnessed by numerous fans globally, Vybz Kartel is again the most viewed artist from Jamaica and the global digital video platform with 407 million views and counting. And this is of course another reason to celebrate. Of course, fans were given the great news of another digital victory, as Spotify also confirmed that for an artist that has been away from the main stage for the amount of years that Vybz Kartel has, it is definitely astonishing to see that he is among the most listened artists out of Jamaica and their platform as well. Now, Isaac Buchanan, Vybz Kartel's attorney, stated recently that a major milestone was passed in confirming that the evidence used to incarcerate the dancehall superstar was indeed tampered with. Something that some fans have always stated that not only did they know, but the court proceedings revealed that motions and questions raised by the defense, motions raised by Bianca, Bert Samuel's daughter, motions raised by Bert himself, Valerie, even Tavares, things that were overlooked by the trial judge, and again overlooked by the local appeal court. Now, the fact that an international forensic agency, an accredited one that is trusted by the Privy Council in the UK, has verified that yes, indeed, there is no way this should have been used as evidence. There is no way a device put in a sealed evidence bag should be pulled without it being signed for by the individual who pull it at no point in time. If that piece of evidence is going to be used in court, then it is not only going to be up for scrutiny, it should not have been accepted by the court any at all. And then going further to prove that the same devices and the evidence used to convict was placed on the device, even though local tabloids have not covered the story extensively. This is not only good news for the defense, it also paints the picture of what is taking place in the Jamaican judicial system. And with talks of the country moving towards a republic and removing themselves from the so-called shackles of the UK, we would state this. First and foremost, the country is unable to pay its own bills. The country is unable to pay the Jamaica Constabulary Force money owed from as far back as 2018. Now with the JDF soldiers, who the security forces heavily rely on for certain operations, it is the Queen who pays them. Will the country now take on that bill, seeing that they cannot pay the ones for the police? It must sound so. Now the judicial system, the fact that we have a court system relying on UK and British laws to say that we are now going to release ourselves and move towards a republic seem to be something that should be given a little bit more thought. Seeing that the matter of governance is still an issue that is yet to be working out by said elected officials themselves. It would have been good to see the country moving forward in any sense of the word. But this seems to be just another attempt by the powers that be to keep a big event and tell the people that they have something to celebrate. We need good legal and political representation. These are major issues going forward. The judicial system itself needs a whole heap of work. There's still backlog at the court today from cases as far back as 2018. See, that was a case that was before the court. Trafigura case still a go on. Many adults can tell us, them a hear about the Trafigura case and them a go to school. And these are adults with their own youth. We are going to school now and still hear about the same Trafigura case. That's at the level of backlog we are telling about there at the court. Of course, as we say, fans of the incarcerated dancehall superstar can be happy in the fact that Vybz Kartel's freedom, as stated by the attorneys themselves, is close at hand. And true fans of the dancehall culture will definitely acknowledge that a win of this magnitude for Vybz Kartel is definitely a win for the dancehall genre itself. This showcases the fact that in this day and age, and with the advent of technology, fans globally are in tuned to the dancehall music. As 35.8 million views was from Kingston, Jamaica, but another 21.2 million views was from New York, 11.8 million views from Nairobi. Georgetown was 6th with 6.73 million views, and of course Toronto, the 6th. My father and sister and I say, Canadians, Toronto, the people them love dancehall, reggae, Caribbean music and Caribbean culture and a whole. Big up the whole of Canada. DC, you know what I go on. Now Panama City was 8th with 5.32 million views. And that was where the people were based that was listening to Vybz Kartel's music. Now let's talk about the top countries listening to the artists. Now, the United States of America was first with 77.9 million views. This is big. You have artists who reside, dancehall artists who reside in the United States. They are dancehall artists who have been traveling back and forth from Jamaica and the United States for the past decade and who are still putting out music today. Them still not get the views, even on this digital platform. Now Jamaica was second with 67 million views. The United Kingdom was third with 28.8 million views. Then Costa Rica with 16.6 million. And of course Canada, the entire Canada with 14.4 million views. And you know that something that's going on in Kenya. You know the support for Vybz Kartel music is very strong in Kenya. 14.3 million views. Major accomplishments. It's another major victory. Yes, indeed, another major win for Vybz Kartel, his music, his legacy, and of course the supporters who continue to support the dancehall superstar. But I said the one called JAYDEN Chase, the news correspondent. If you're new to the channel, it's a pass through. But you like the reason and of course you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon and put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them for check out the channel, reason. Join the discussion via the comment section. It took me 24/7, never lucky yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions right there, and we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. You know the something go. Yes. Major milestones. The evidence has been confirmed. Vybz Kartel Freedom Date is in the works. Digital achievements. Most viewed dancehall artists out of the country. You know the people in Pan Island are get ready to celebrate. You know the something go. Until the reason again, stay tuned.